Recently, the keyboard manufacturer IQUNIX reached out to me asking if I would like to test out some of their upcoming keyboards. Some of their designs were really eye-catching, so I decided to check them out. Previously, I built one of their Super Tilly 60 keyboards. I found the craftsmanship on that keyboard to be very impressive. In this video, I'll be taking a close look at the latest keyboard design from IQUNIX, and this might just be their most interesting keyboard yet. Stay tuned.
Mad Mod.
Just to give you a little perspective, I'm usually a DIYer when it comes to computer accessories like this. I've designed a few custom keyboards that are documented right here on YouTube. I also have some new designs on the way. Anyway, I was excited to see some ambitious design choices that focus on customization, starting right here with the Super 1+1. The concept shown on the IQUNIX website implies that the 1+1 series of keyboards will essentially be built to order. This means that eventually you could order a high-quality mechanical keyboard with any layout you prefer. The prototype that IQUNIX sent me is the 89-key TKL version. Let's see what comes in the box. Box number 1 has some tools inside. Here we have a keycap and switch puller. They also include a small screwdriver and the 2 bits you need to assemble this keyboard. Box number 2 contains a coiled USB cable. This cable includes a 4-pin aviator style connection and a knurled texture on the USB-C end. Box number 3 includes an IQUNIX sticker, a manual with some information about the keyboard's warranty, and the wireless USB adapter. This keyboard supports wired connections via USB-C and wireless connections via 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth. Also included is this key map showing you how to use the function key to access all the keyboard's functions and backlighting options. In box number 4, IQUNIX has included a set of keycaps. These keycaps are optional. You could also order this keyboard without the keycaps, and this looks like an alternative plate. Since this one's white, it should maximize the effect of the LED backlighting. And here we have the keyboard. Oh, the keyboard's already assembled. Well, I've been informed that thanks to a poll conducted on the IQUNIX Discord, the production models of these keyboards will be shipped as a DIY kit instead of fully assembled like this. That's probably a good decision, in my opinion. Well, since this keyboard is already assembled, I guess we should do the video backward. On the bright side, it looks like IQUNIX has included a set of their new Moonstone Switches. These are linear switches and come pre-lubricated from the factory. I'm normally a tactile switch enjoyer, so I can't wait to try these out. At least I don't have to lubricate them. It looks like we have the same plate mount stabilizers that were included with the Tilly 60, but this time they're pre-lubricated. Let's get ready for a sound test. Oh my gosh, I knew this keyboard would sound okay, but these switches are making me reconsider my love for tactiles. Here are the switch specifications. Maybe it's because I always go with tactiles, but these switches feel absolutely buttery to me. This is a very heavy keyboard. Let's see exactly how much it weighs. It looks like the keyboard weighs 1,837 grams, which is right at 4.5 pounds. Continuing in reverse order, I will now check out the keyboard's software. It looks like you can adjust the key map from the first page of the software. Remappable keys are essential in my opinion. In the software, you can also customize the keyboard's RGB backlighting. This keyboard has per key addressable LEDs, so you can use one of the included backlighting modes or come up with your own unique color scheme. Let's disassemble this keyboard and take a good look at the included components. The included keycaps are double shot and have a nice texture. However, this particular set was missing an F4 key and included 2 F3 keys. So if anyone out there has 2 F4 keys, I may have your missing F3. Here you can see those Moonstone switches doing an excellent job evenly diffusing the backlight. I'm not kidding, these really do look as good as they sound. Here you can see the USB port and the power switch inside the keyboard's foot. There are 2 rechargeable batteries inside here. This case definitely feels like a solid chunk of aluminum. The plate and the PCB are suspended between the front and the back of the case by some foam gasket material. This is potentially the coolest part of the 1+1 keyboard idea. This keyboard is so close to being modular, even though it's technically not. The plate and the PCB are designed as individual modules that connect with a ribbon cable. You can see here, even the bezel for the arrow keys separates with just a few screws. That means these parts could be used across multiple layouts. Designs like this make the manufacturing process easier because the machined parts can be shared across different products. Taking apart the plate and the PCB reveals the wireless antenna under the spacebar here. There are also 2 sheets of foam filling the space between the plate and the PCB. Here you can get a good look at the PCB, matte black with hot swap sockets, LED backlighting, and PCB mounted stabilizers. So here's what I think about the Super 1+1. As a standalone product, it's impressive, except for the legends on the included keycaps. Aside from that minor detail, everything about this keyboard screams premium. It's built like a tank, the software is easy to use, and I'm particularly impressed with these Moonstone switches. Of course, the premium nature of this product is reflected in its price. Wired versions of this keyboard are starting at $349. The tri-mode version of this keyboard kit starts at $369. That's pretty pricey for me, but if you love a TKL keyboard, this version of the Super 1+1 might just deserve a spot on your desk. Personally, I'll be on the lookout for the 65% and the 65% plus numpad layouts. I mean, look at this thing, it's like the perfect keyboard. If anyone at IQUNIX is watching this, you should know that the craftsmanship of this product really shines. However, I believe there would be even more value in the creation of a modular keyboard system that could be customized by the consumer. Maybe the 1+1 could be the starting point for creating such a system. All that being said, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to MadMod Labs, and check out my other electronics videos. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.